Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for smart software walkthroughs and tech tutorials made simple. In today's video, we are diving into Zoho Sign, the powerful digital signature app that makes signing and sending documents fast, secure, and 100% paperless. So whether you're managing contracts, onboarding documents, or just trying to get rid of that printer once and for all, Zoho Sign has you covered. Yes, this is part of our ongoing Zoho tutorial series where we break down the entire Zoho ecosystem step by step to help you boost your productivity. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's begin. Okay, so before you can sign in, you need to create a Zoho account because Zoho apps are all integrated. Just go to the official website, which is zoho.com. On the top corner, you have an option to sign up, which is very simple. Provide all the information needed. And to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up for free by using these accounts: Google, LinkedIn, or Microsoft account. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the Access Your Apps section. And if you can't find the Zoho sign, I want you to hover down to the search button and type in sign. And that should automatically provide you the option to go to the Zoho sign itself. And click the try now. What will happen is it will be forwarded here. Click the Access Zoho sign. And then, as you may notice, that you need to provide all the information needed. And then just follow the on-screen instructions, and there you have it. If in case you're having problems accessing the Zoho sign, you might want to use a VPN because it is kind of not available in some areas or specific region or location. And you may notice that the platform is very user-friendly. It's very easy to use. We have been using Zoho sign for quite some time. And let me tell you all the tools and features that we can explore in the left side area of the navigation. Now obviously the sign is going to be the main dashboard where you initiate new signing workflows. Alright, so you can send for signatures or sign for yourself. If we choose the first option, okay, you can drag your files here or add a document. And of course type in, for example, Zoho sign. Okay. So you have that already here. And provide all the email. For example, email is going to be like, let's say in this instance, we're going to use a different email. Okay, so we're going to use this one for here. And then click the continue button. You need to upload a file. Let's do that. From here, if you click the add document, you have multiple options from desktop, cloud, or templates. We're going to go to the template. If you don't have any template, you can use a template right here. All right. So you have chosen too many elements. You want to make sure that right here. And then once you've done that, you'd be able to send the signatures yourself. And then there is an option to sign for yourself. Now this is basically the file. All I have to do is click on it. There's a 3-dot icon here. And then you can sign it for yourself. All right. It's a very simple, easy to use. So once you've done that, the next thing that we're going to explore is the document section. The document section provides you all the documents involved in signing workflows. All right. So you have like awaiting signature, scheduled, in progress, completed, declined, expired, draft, bulk send, and receive. So you can view all the detailed audit trails, resend reminders, and of course, download any signed documents or void them if you want it. Obviously, the templates is where you can create and manage reusable document templates, which is kind of useful for frequently sent agreements like NDAs if you're working with a client or with other freelancers, sales contracts, HR onboarding forms, and templates save time by defining the document. You can have like signer rules, fields like signature, date, and text, and of course the message and subject line. But the thing is, you may notice that you need to upgrade to this subscription plan before you can use the template section here in Zoho Sign. If you are curious about the pricing plans here, if you feel that the Zoho Sign is going to be the platform that answers your business needs, they start at standard, which is going to be $120 per year per user. The professional is at $192. You have everything in standard plus all these. And of course, at the enterprise, it's at $264 per user per year, and you get to have all these. But in my case, I am going back to the main homepage of Zoho Sign because I want you to enjoy the free trial before you commit to that pricing plans. All right, the sign forms is where you can manage all the options, but it requires again to you for upgrade. Similar to the report sections, this provides analytics and summaries of your document activity, like track signature turnaround times, monitor how many documents were completed, expired or declined. You can filter by time range, users, or status. And of course, you have the ability to perform any tracking and compliance monitoring. The settings gives you the options to configure some areas like integrations. Now, these are going to be some of the integrations that you can use in Zoho Sign. All right, so you can e-sign for digital signatures, for identity providers. You have all of these for Zoho apps. Okay, for Google apps like Gmail, Google Workspace, and Google Drive. For Microsoft apps, if you are already using these third-party tools, it's a lot easier to connect that to Zoho Sign. Microsoft 365, Microsoft Teams, Outlook, OneDrive. For cloud storage, you have Zoho WorkDrive, OneDrive, and Dropbox and Box. And for the integration platforms such as Zoho Flow, Zapier, Power Automate, Make, Integrately, Pabbly, Connect, and FormStack. And of course, these are some of the other integrations that you might want to use. OpenAI platform, AI Assistant, and a lot more. All right. Now, there is going to be, again, the plus section if you want to send for signatures for yourself. Let's do that again. This time, we have added the document. And again, we can put in the email, testemail.com, and provide the name, and click the continue and save and close. And basically, that's how you sign documents in Zoho Sign. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching our walkthrough on how to use Zoho Sign. This is your all-in-one solution for sending, signing, and managing documents online securely and efficiently. This is part of our Zoho tutorial series, and we've seen how Zoho Sign streamlines e-signatures, keep documents organized, and helps teams stay compliant whether you're a freelancer, business owner, or part of a large organization. Do not forget to check out the rest of our Zoho series, where we cover more powerful tools in the suite. If this video helped you out, give it a like, share it with your team, and drop your questions in the comments. We are more than happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.